Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change hoverboards on Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the Me option in the bottom section of your screen. Again, tap on Boards option in the bottom section of your screen. Here you can see a bunch of options to choose from. Now select one according to your preference. You'll have to keep in mind that you must have some amount of money in order to purchase these boards. Now click on the amount of money, and that is how you can change hoverboards on Subway Surfers. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.